Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 14, Gunatraya Vibhaga Yoga.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
I bow down to the Supreme Consciousness.
Namaste. In this video we will continue Shlokas 11 to 27. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasha upajayate jnanam yada tata vedyat vivredam sattvametyuta.
When all the gates of the body are illumined by knowledge, know it to be a manifestation of the mode of goodness.
Lobha pravrittirarambha karma nama samasriha rajasyetani jayante vivredhe bharatashabha.
When the mode of passion predominates, O Arjuna, the symptoms of greed, exertion for worldly gain, restlessness and craving develop.
Aprakasho pravrittischa pramado moha evacha tamasyetani jayante vivrede guru nandana.
O Arjuna, nescience, inertia, negligence and delusion, these are the dominant signs of the mode of ignorance.
Yada sattve pravritte tu pralayan yati dehabrit tadotama vidan lokan amalan pratipadyate.
Those who die with the predominance of sattva reach the pure abodes of the learned.
Rajasi pralayam gatva karma sangishu jayate tata pralanastamasi mudha yonishu jayate.
Those who die with the prevalence of mode of passion are born among people driven by work, while those dying in the mode of ignorance take birth in the animal kingdom.
Karmana sukritasyahu satvikam nirmalam phalam rajasastu phalam duhkyam ajnanam tamasa phalam.
It is said, the fruit of actions performed in the mode of goodness bestow pure results. Actions done in the mode of passion result in pain, while those performed in the mode of ignorance result in darkness.
Sattvat sanjayate jnanam rajaso lobha evacha pramada moha tamaso bhavato jnanamevacha.
From the mode of goodness arises knowledge, from the mode of passion arises greed, and from the mode of ignorance arises negligence and delusion.
Urdhvam gachanti sattvasta madhye tishtanti rajasa jaganya guna vrittishta adho gachanti tamasa.
Those situated in the mode of goodness rise upward. Those in the mode of passion stay in the middle. Those in the mode of ignorance go downward.
Nanyam gunebhya kartaram yada drashtanupashyati gunebhyascha param veti madbhavam sodigacchati.
When wise persons see that in all works there are no agents of action other than the three gunas, and they know me to be transcendental to these gunas, they attain my divine nature.
Guna nityanatitятrin dehi deha samudbhavam janma mrityu jara duhkait vimukto mritamashnuti.
By transcending the three modes of material nature associated with the body, one becomes free from birth, death, old age, and misery, and attains immortality.
अर्जुन उवाच कैर्लिङ्गस्त्रिङ्गुणानीतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभु किं माचार कथं चैतांस् त्रीन् गुणान् अतिवर्तते.
Arjuna inquired, "What are the characteristics of those who have gone beyond the three gunas, O Lord? How do they act? How do they go beyond the bondage of gunas?"
श्रीभगवानुवाच प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्तिं च मोहमेव च पाण्डव न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति.
The Supreme Divine Personality said, "O Arjuna, the persons who are transcendental to the three gunas neither hate illumination nor activity nor even delusion. When these are abundantly present, nor do they long for them when they are absent."
उदासीन व्यदासीनो गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येव योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते.
They remain neutral to the modes of nature and are not disturbed by them. Knowing it is only the gunas that act. They stay established in the self without wavering.
सम दुःख सुख स्वास्थ समलोष्टान काञ्चनः तुल्य प्रिया प्रियो धीरस् तुल्य निन्दात्म संस्तुति.
Those who are alike in happiness and distress, who are established in the self, who look upon a clod, a stone, and a piece of gold as of equal value, who remain the same amidst pleasant and unpleasant events, who are intelligent, who are acceptable, both blame and praise with equanimity.
मानपमानयोस्तुल्यस् तुल्यो मित्रारिपक्षयो सर्वारम्भ परित्यागी गुणातीतो स उच्यते.
Those who remain the same in honor and dishonor, who treat both friend and foe alike, and who have abandoned all enterprises, they are said to have risen above the three gunas.
माञ्च यो व्याभिचारेण भक्तियोगेन सेवते स गुणान् समतीत्यैतान् ब्रह्म गुह्याय कल्पते.
Those who serve me with unalloyed devotion rise above the three modes of material nature and come to the level of Brahman.
ब्रह्मणो हि प्रतिष्ठाहम् अमृतस्य व्ययस्य च शाश्वतस्य च धर्मस्य सुखस्यैकान्तिकस्य च.
I am the basis of the formless Brahman, the immortal and imperishable, of eternal dharma and of unending divine bliss.
ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे चतुर्दशमोऽध्यायः गुणत्रयविभागयोगः. श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
Thus, in the Upanishads of the glorious Bhagavad Gita, the science of eternal scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, ends the 14th discourse entitled Gunatraya Vibhaga Yoga.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
I bow down to the Supreme Consciousness.
Thank you. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Vedic Treasure.